Yeah, welcome back to the channel. Now I'm just in a car here that we are moving around something on the storage place, and then was just in here now to see. I'm not sure. I put on the light in the back there. No, you see here we have some mirrors in the roof. Hello. Yeah, just moving around this car. Can anyone tell me which car it is? I think it's going to be shown in a thumbnail too. Yeah, it's a S-klasse 99 model. Have to be Norway's cheapest car that was road legal. Almost zero rust for a 99 model. It's kind of crazy in Norway. So, just seeing a little around here and drive it in again and you can see more. Yeah, inside here, and I have the mirror. It's nice that all the navigation is working. The electric things in the door on the right side is working. Let's see it go warm now. It started here, but it's not working on the driver's side. Maybe after it get a little crash, I have to fix the bonnet and the left hand side, both the light and the fender, but inside there I think it's okay. I'm not sure how you open the... Huh? I think it's put in a DAB adapter. This antenna is DAB. I'm not sure how you open this electric. It's supposed to. I was seeing the thing in the back. The guardian or the thing opening here is working. And the car gone only 226,000 kilometers. So it's not much. Yeah. Here, light, creamy interior. Navigation, that's the plates are here and it's working. Need some inspection on different things. Some problem with the electric power to the door here. On the other side it's working. The seats are nice in the back, they're very nice. So, but it's the same problem as all Mercedes is sticky. Have to see more outside it. Yeah, back here as I'm sitting, my problem often is the size I can have here. I'm sitting okay in the front now and I can still sit okay behind myself. It's not so soft close. No, it's not at at least it's not working. There. Roof light is disconnecting. Ah. Yeah, it's an S-class, so you're supposed to have a lot of nice things. But it's out testing this later. Now it would have been very nice to put this beside the LS400 Lexuses and the XJ6 Jaguar. See different things. But in here is a lot of things I like. Yeah. This is just in showing off. Just come back. Just if you like to know more about this Mercedes and also some other Mercedeses, then just write about that. If you want to know more about the Jaguars and the LS400, there's some videos, but there's coming more. Just hoping to get another place with better space to put in more cars at the same time and work on them. So I'm crossing my fingers. Sorry about this dark. There, slide. Crossing my fingers that more people come by the channel and that the channel can get some plus in the income on the ads. Is for a moment is very, very, very little. That's okay. The channel is growing. I'm trying to do things better, but we have a lot of other things to do for a moment. So, but please come back. Please put some comments and help the channel grow and ask for things I can help you guys with. So, thank you. Please come back. Please start following the channel and please put a like. Thank you.